The mysterious of human life. There are thousands of mysteries contained in human body. What makes muscles grow? Where does sweat come from? What causes goosebumps? How does food get ingested? This book provides the answers to those and many other questions about the human body and how it does what it does. But to scientists learning about the body, every answer seems to raise a dozen more questions. One of the most intriguing areas is explored in this chapter on reproduction and development. A human being, that complicated collection of brains and bones, blood and organs, thoughts and feelings and knowledge, starts out as a single cell. After it is fertilized, the cell is called a zygote, and it divides and develops into groups of cells, forming the parts that will one day make up a complete baby. This growth and development process takes approximately 266 days from fertilization. In that time, the fetus will grow to an average weight of 7 pounds or 2 billion times that of the original fertilized egg. Controlling this whole process and dictating everything from the shape of the child's fingernails to his or her aptitude for music is the spiraling cord of chemicals known as deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA. How DNA makes up genes and chromosomes and how these tiny structures that are present in every cell really work may be the ultimate mystery of the human body. Molecules of DNA form a twisted chain in the nucleus of each human cell, invisible to naked eye. These chemicals determine all of the person's inherited characteristics. What is the human body made of? The human body is made of tiny building units called cells, each about 1 per 1,000 of an inch wide. And other body contains about 75 trillion cells. If they could be laid end to end, they would form a chain 11,80,000 miles long. Cells group together to form tissues. Tissues are divided into 4 different types: epithelial, connective, nerve, and muscle. A mass of tissue that has a specific form and function is called an organ, such as the heart, kidneys, etc. When organs work together to perform a particular job in the body, they form an organ system such as digestive system or nervous system. A covering for the body inside and out. Epithelial tissue, which is made up of 1 or more layers of cells, forms the skin and lines the inside the body. The inner layer of skin cells covering this hand grows outer as the harder outer layer wears away. Epidermis, dermis. The tracheia's hair-like cilia remove foreign matter. The small intestines fully absorb nutrients. Trachea. Small intestine, mucus secreting cells. Cilia, villi. Muscular and skeletal systems. Digestive system. Holding the body together, connective tissue supports the body and allows the organ to do their work. It is formed from specialized cells, interwoven with tiny fibers formed from connective tissues. Veins carry blood cells in a fluid called plasma. Lymphocyte, plasma, red blood cell, granulocyte, platelet. Loose connective tissues lies under the epidermis or upper layer of skin. Fibroblast, collagen fiber.